Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and solutions for your everyday tech issues. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common problem faced by Chrome users on PC, the "this site can't ask for permissions" error. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the solution. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by double-clicking on the Chrome icon. Step 2. Go to a site. Enter the URL of the website where you're experiencing the permission issue in the address bar and hit Enter. Step 3. To the left of the web address, click on View Site Information. Step 4. Click on Site Settings. Step 5. Now, you need to change a permission setting. Scroll down and locate the permission you want to change, such as camera, microphone, or notifications. Click on the drop-down menu next to the permission and choose the desired setting. And that's it. By following these quick and easy steps, you can fix the "this site can't ask for permissions" issue on Chrome for PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.